Hi guys, today we're gonna make fake handcuffs and you're gonna need two things and this should take you less than 30 seconds, so let's get into it. So you take this, put it right about right here, there you go. And then you take this one, put it right there. So then you take this index finger and you put it on that side, this one on that side, and then you close your fingers with your index and your thumb, and then you pull them, and then you have a knot right there. You have a knot right there. So then you got the fake handcuffs. Here's like the fake handcuffs. Because you go on each side like that, and there's like a knot right there. So that would be the thing, closing them together instead of just using one rubber and just putting your hands in it. There's the knot, and here's how it's the handcuffs. So what made me think of this video is two things. One, I'm a police officer for Halloween. Put in the comments down below what you're being for Halloween. And two, I had two rubber bands. And I always do this. So, bye. Give a goodbye kiss and goodbye making one. Ready? Bye. I just wanted to add another kiss. Now I'm adding another one.